Here's what you need to know about what is network segmentation. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Network segmentation divides a network into smaller, isolated segments to improve security and performance. Each segment has its own security controls, so a breach in one segment cannot automatically spread to others. Segmentation is a core principle of defense in depth and is used in both physical networks and cloud environments. Key concept: limits breach blast radius. If an attacker compromises a device in one segment, segmentation prevents them from moving freely through the rest of the network. Firewall rules between segments block lateral movement and contain the damage. Key concept: VLANs for logical segmentation. VLANs, virtual LANs, are the primary tool for segmentation on switched networks. Finance, HR, and IT traffic can each be placed in separate VLANs on the same physical switches, with inter-VLAN traffic controlled by firewall rules. Key concept: compliance-driven segmentation. Regulations like PCI DSS require payment systems to be isolated from the rest of the network. Separating card data into its own segment limits the scope of compliance audits and reduces risk of cardholder data exposure. Key concept: performance benefits. Segmentation reduces broadcast traffic within each segment. Devices only receive broadcasts relevant to their segment, which reduces noise and improves network performance, especially in large, flat networks. Let's look at the full breakdown. Finance VLAN 10. Accounting systems, payroll servers, strict inbound-outbound rules. HR VLAN 20, HR applications, employee records, no access to finance segment. Guest VLAN 30, internet access only, no access to internal LANs, isolated from all corporate segments. IoT VLAN 40, smart devices, cameras, no lateral access allowed, isolated due to weak security posture. Here's a real-world example. A hospital network runs on one flat/16 subnet. When ransomware hits an admin PC, it spreads to medical devices, imaging systems, and patient records within minutes. No segments to stop it. After rebuilding, the hospital implements segmentation. Clinical devices on VLAN 10, admin on VLAN 20, IoT cameras on VLAN 30, and guest Wi-Fi on VLAN 40, all separated by firewall rules. The same ransomware attack now stops at the VLAN boundary. Quick recap before you go. 1. Segmentation divides the network into isolated zones to limit breach spread. 2. VLANs provide logical segmentation on switched networks. 3. Firewall rules between segments control and log inter-segment traffic. 4. PCI DSS and other regulations mandate segmentation for sensitive systems. 5. Segmentation also reduces broadcast traffic and improves network performance. That's what is network segmentation? Covered. Exam tip: flat networks, no segmentation. Let attackers move freely once inside. Segmented networks require attackers to break through each boundary. VLANs separate segments logically. Firewalls enforce the rules. Microsegmentation takes this further, isolating individual workloads. Next up, what is zero trust? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.